guys, and welcome to another Gravy's Brew review with me, Gareth Goes Gravy. Then guys, for this review, as you saw from the title at the beginning, and as you can see from the title below, it's been a while, but I'm finally going to be able to bring you a homebrew review. And for this one, again, as you can see from the title, this is my East Kent Goldings Pilsner. And before I show you, what can I tell you about it? Well, for this one, I brewed it smash style. For those of you in the know, you know what I mean. For those of you that don't, I basically mean single malt and single hop. Of course, with it being a Pilsner, I picked Pilsner malt for my base grain, my base malt, and I used East Kent Goldings for my hops. So even though I'm calling this an East Kent Pilsner, I'm also inclined to call it an English Pilsner. Again, because it uses an English hop. But I'll let you guys out there be the judge of that. Anyway, I'm not going to dawdle. Here is the beer. Nice little head I had to form on just before I came on camera. I have dawdled a bit, so naturally it has gone down. Colour, well, it is a little bit darker on camera, but from what I can see, that is a very nice straw yellow. Hazy again, because I had to form a head. I think there's probably also a little bit of chill haze, maybe a little bit of hop haze there as well. But all well and good. Oh, and before I forget, I managed to get this to, I think, because slap my wrist, I didn't keep my eye on the gravities all that much. I think I got this to around about 5.7%, 5.5 to 5.7. I believe I got this to. So, with a bit of luck, that's what it is. Anyway, enough dawdling. Let's get it on the glass. Let's give it a nose. Oh, and on the nose, as you would with the pale ales, getting a lot of fruitiness, a little bit of grapefruit, a little bit of pineapple. I smell a little bit of maltiness there as well. That's really all I'm getting at the moment. Yeah, that's really all I'm getting. So I'm not going to dawdle again. I'm just going to go in for a taste. Cheers. Oh, I'm pleased with that. And on the flavours, I'm getting a nice maltiness from the Pilsner malt. I'm getting that grapefruit, very heavy grapefruit, because I used, and I'll pop the ingredients and my little recipe down in the description. I used a couple of ounce worth of East Kent Goldings hops, and as a result, it is quite earthy, it is quite grassy, a little bit of a pineapple flavour, a little bit of grapefruit, but very nice. My only regret is that I wasn't able to get this very clear, because I don't really have the room in my refrigerator to do a a proper lagering. I instead bottled it as I would an ale, and I let it condition at room temperature for about 3 weeks. Probably should have been a bit longer. And I've further conditioned it in the fridge, lagered it, whatever you want to say, in the fridge again for a further 2-3 weeks. I kind of lost count. So as a result, it isn't as clear as I would have liked from a lager, but for my first attempt, I'm very pleased, and I will be brewing this again, especially with summer around the corner. So really, that's all I can say. So I want to quickly wrap this one up, and I'm going to say, well, my own East Kent Pilsner. Buy the ingredients and brew it. That's all I can say. And on the subject, I want to pop the ingredient list and my little recipe and my little brewing method down in the description, so that if anybody wants to try it, you can. And I will advise you now, guys, the measurements and the quantities, excuse me, of the ingredients will be based on 1 gallon of the beer. For anybody that wishes to do maybe 2 gallon, 3 gallon, or a full 5 gallon batch, I'm sure you'll be able to scale up as usual. But in my opinion, I'd give it a go, especially with summer around the corner. Alright guys, well, that was just my hopeful quick review on my own homebrew. As always, if you have any general comments, questions, queries about my beer, drop them down there in the comments. We'll get some discussion going. And for those of you that have brewed Pilsners before, and you agree or disagree with anything I've said in the course of this video, and you have any hints, tips, and the like, just let me know what you did if you didn't have a proper lagering fridge or a refrigerator that could house your fermenter. Do me a favour, drop those comments down there in the description as well. And as always guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Again, please comment down there, let me know what you thought. And for anybody watching this for the first time, if you've enjoyed this video again, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, let me know what you thought of the video. And if you're watching for the first time and you'd like to see more of my stuff, please pop over to my channel, check out my other videos, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. It'll be very well appreciated. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time from Gravy's Brew Reviews, this has been Gareth Goes Gravy. I'll see you later. Cheers.